In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to your GoDaddy website. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate your Calendly scheduling links so visitors can easily book appointments with you directly from your site. Let's dive right in and get started. First off, make sure you're logged into your Calendly account. Once you're in, locate the event you want to add to your website. You'll notice 3 dots on the right side of the event. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. This is where you can manage various settings for your event. Now, from the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Add to Website. This action will prompt you to choose among different embed options. For this tutorial, we're going to pick the Inline Embed option. After selecting it, go ahead and click Continue. At this point, you'll be presented with an embed code. What you want to do here is simply copy this code. This code is what you'll need to insert into your GoDaddy website to make the Calendly widget appear. Now, let's switch over to your GoDaddy website. If you're not already there, head over to your website's building page. Once you're in the GoDaddy editor, look for an option to add a new section to your page. This is where we will place the Calendly embed code. When adding a section, choose the Files and Web category, then select HTML. This is the type of section that allows you to embed custom HTML code, which is exactly what we need for the Calendly widget. Click on the result to proceed with adding this section. With the HTML section added to your page, it's time to paste the Calendly embed code you copied earlier into the provided box. Carefully paste the code into the appropriate field, ensuring there are no extra spaces or characters that might disrupt the code. Once you've pasted the code, give it a moment to load. The Calendly widget should now appear on your GoDaddy website, allowing visitors to schedule appointments with ease. And that's it. You've successfully added Calendly to your GoDaddy site. This process helps streamline your appointment scheduling and enhances the user experience on your website. By embedding Calendly, you provide a convenient way for your audience to connect with you, all while maintaining a professional appearance on your site. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that integrating Calendly into your GoDaddy website was straightforward. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling!